Tick tock, 7 o'clock. Time to get up. Time to get up. 7 o'clock. "7-9, breakfast time, 7-9. Today is Mr. Featherstone's birthday. Today is the anniversary of Toleda's marriage. Insurance is payable, as are the water, gas, and light bills. 8-1, tick-tock, 8-1 o'clock, off to work, off to school, run, run, 8-1. Rain, rain, go away, rubbers, raincoats for today. 9:15, time to clean. 10 o'clock. 10:15. 12 noon. Who goes there? What's the password? 2 o'clock. 2:15. 5 o'clock. 6, 7, 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9:05. Miss McClellan, which poem would you like this evening? Since you express no preference, I shall select a poem at random. Sarah Teasdale, as I recall, your favorite. There will come soft rains and the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound, and frogs in the pools singing at night, and wild plum trees in tremulous white. Robins will wear their feathery fire, whistling their whims on a low fence wire, and not one will know of the war, not one will care at last when it is done. Not one would mind, neither bird nor tree, if mankind perished utterly. And spring herself, when she woke at dawn, would scarcely know that we were gone.
We're gonna get this isn't Marley and me. We're fine. Wait, that line or just that? Yeah.
Good. It's still recording.